Hello students, welcome to another session of web designing. Today we will study about HTML text editors. At first let us see what is an HTML text editor. An HTML file is a text file. So to create an HTML file, we can use any text editors. Text editors are the programs which allow editing in a written text. Hence, to create a web page, we need to write our codes in some text editor. There are various types of text editors available which you can directly download. But for a beginner, the best text editor is Notepad if you are using Windows operating system, or TextEdit if you are using Mac. After learning the basics, one can easily use other professional text editors which are VS Code, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Vim, etc. Let us see the example of how Notepad works. At first, as you can see in the picture, we should open the Notepad. After that, you type the desired HTML code into your Notepad. Now, go to the file here on top left and click on File. After you click on File, you will get a pop-up window like this. There, under File Name, you can give the desired name .html. For example, if you want to name your HTML file test, you just write test.html. After that, in Save As type, change it to all files. If you miss this step, your HTML file will be a text file, though you gave the extension as .html. After saving the file, you will get your desired file with the logo of the browser. If you are not getting the logo of the browser, no need to worry, students. The next step will help you. Go to the file name, click right. After right clicking, go to Open with and choose the desired browser. And your HTML page will be displayed on the desired browser chosen. In the address bar, if you can see, will be the path where you have saved your HTML file. After saying this, students, let us see an example of the same. So at first, go to the folder where you want to save your HTML file. Right click, go to New and select Text Document. After that, give any suitable name here. Double click on this file and open it. Write the HTML code in your TXT file. After that, go to File Go to Save As. Select File Name. Change the extension to .html. And students, as mentioned earlier, don't forget to change the Save As type to all files. After you are done, click on Save. As soon as you click on Save, you can see the HTML file right here with the logo of Google Chrome. Just go here, right click, open with, and select your desired browser. If the logo is already coming in your case, you can just double click on that particular file to open that file in the same web browser. As you can see, we have got our first output. I hope you all have typed the program with me and completed it. Let us go back to our slide. Now we already know about the text editor, Notepad. As already mentioned to you, Notepad is a very basic text editor with no additional benefits. What is the exact meaning of benefits? For example, if you type something wrong in the Notepad, Notepad will not help to rectify that. Now we are slowly entering into the advanced level text editors like VS Code. Students, there are certain advantages of advanced level text editors, like they will help you to write the code, they will help you to identify the mistakes, if any, in your code, which was not present in the basic level text editor like Notepad. So we are studying the advanced level text editor VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code provides basic support for HTML programming out of the box. What is the meaning of out of the box here? There is syntax highlighting, that is highlighting of the same type of syntax, smart completions with IntelliSense. There is a technology called IntelliSense which helps in completion of the tag, which means if you are opening a tag, the closing tag will be automatically suggested for you, as well as customizable formattings. VS Code also provides extensions which can be added to get better support for your HTML file. Let us see these features one by one. First, we are coming to IntelliSense Auto completion of tags. This, okay, smart completion with IntelliSense. You can see here, right, that as soon as you are typing div, the end div came automatically. This is certainly a help, right, students? This help was not present in basic level text editors like Notepad. Coming to the next feature, which is very important, that is you can preview the HTML file at the right side of the code, as you can see here. This feature was also not present in the basic level text editor Notepad. What is the advantage in previewing your HTML file? If you don't like a particular design, you can change it immediately without wasting much time. The most popular text editors are Visual Studio Code, Atom, Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Adobe Dreamweaver. Students, I want to show you a sample Visual Studio code. You can download Visual Studio Code for free. It'll look like this. You can go to File. You can see on top left, you can go to File. You can go to New File. And you can type your program here. You see at the bottom here, just select plain text. Under that, you can see multiple options. Select HTML from here. And you can start to type your code. Students, you can see here. Okay. So I have opened a file here. Okay. After that, just save your file. So go here to save as. Okay, save your file as test2.html. Okay, and change this just a second. To HTML. Okay, after that, save your file. Okay, now start to type any code in HTML. Okay, as soon as you close the tag, can you see that auto completion of that tag is coming? Just press enter, press something else, you type like title. See? Okay, so now again you can enter and then can type my title. Okay, then go outside title, go to body. Okay, so what is the advantage here, students? It is auto completing your text. Okay, so there is a minimal chance of error. Okay, I'll go back to the PPT. Now that we are done with, I have shown you a sample of how to use VS Code. Okay, so in the similar way, the rest of the advanced text editors work. Many advanced text editors are there who even warn you when you are typing something wrong. So here you can see some sample pages of Atom, Notepad++, which is very commonly used, Sublime Text, and Dreamweaver. After saying all this, students, I want to show you at last about the online text editors which are available readily. You can use it anytime for seeing the outputs. Let me show you one. Students, there is a particular website called w3schools.com. If you go to W3 Schools, there are many HTML tutorials which are present. So I will give you a demo of how to use that. Let me share my screen. I hope all of you can see this page. Can you see here on the left hand side? You have that HTML document. On the right hand side, you can even preview the page. You can change it on the go. Like I have deleted my first heading to my first, and I have run the code, and immediately you can see the output on the right hand side. Students, it is very easy to use the online text editors, as you can even use them comfortably from your mobile phones. You can change anything here and see the output on the right hand side. Let me change a few things and show it to you. I will change the content of my first paragraph to test paragraph and then run it from here, and you can see the output test paragraph. Students, it is very easy to learn from the online text editors, as you don't need to really download them. So let me go back to the slides. So thank you all. Please complete all the activities given. Thank you.